In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your phone to pay with Cash App. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to use your phone to make payments with Cash App without a cash card as long as the app is up to date and you have access to the internet. All you have to do is open up the latest version of the app. Make sure you have the necessary balance that you are going to be paying to someone. This payment will be made by using either of these options, their name, phone, email, or cash tag. Just ask them what their Cash App account is registered under. You will be sending the money to them by going to the main menu and including the amount that you want to send. So click the numbers on the main menu and then click Pay at the bottom right corner of the screen. When you select Pay, you will be able to include the necessary account information, so name, phone, email, or cash tag, and as long as the person has an active and valid Cash App account, they will be able to receive the amount of funds that you input on the main menu. As you can see, this is how it looks. I'm showing the process over and over for you, and all you have to do is have the amount of funds, input it into the main menu, click Pay, and then include their name, cash tag, phone, or email. As long as you have the funds, they will be able to receive them as soon as possible. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your phone to pay with Cash App. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.